Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the M106 has enough charge and the phone is ready. Plug the charger, wait until the battery shows 50% or more. This prevents interruptions during pairing. Once done, install the official M106 app on your phone and open it. Make sure Bluetooth is on and the app can access location and notifications so the watch can sync reliably. Press and hold the side button to power on the watch. You'll see a pairing code when the device is discoverable. Now pair the watch with the app. In the M106 app, pick Add Device and select M106 from the Discovered Devices list. The phone and watch will display a code. Confirm both to secure the Bluetooth link. This prevents accidental pairing with nearby devices. Allow the app to perform the initial data and contact sync. It may prompt to update firmware. Agree to updates. Wait for the progress bar to reach 100% before closing the app, because interrupted sync can leave settings incomplete. Finish by tailoring the M106 to your routine. Open watch settings in the app to choose a face, enable call and message notifications, and configure health metrics like heart rate interval and sleep tracking. Calibrate sensors by setting wrist orientation and step length so activity data is accurate. If something goes wrong, restart both watch and phone, clear the phone's Bluetooth cache, and retry pairing. If firmware update stuck, reconnect charger and reattempt update. These steps resolve most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.